Tannenbaum, oh Tannenbaum, wir grinsen deine Blätter.
Oh, I just love the holidays, don't you, Reg? I like all the decorations, the candles, the trees, and all those lights. It's so pretty.
Me too, Jack. But did you know that everyone has to be careful with all those decorations so they won't be dangerous?
Dangerous? What could be dangerous about decorations?
Well, this time of year there are beautiful lights and candles and Christmas trees, but it's also that time of year that lots of fires get started from those decorations.
Wow! I didn't know that. So you mean we should not decorate?
No, not at all. We just have to be safe with decorations, like making sure our holiday lights are unplugged when we're asleep and when we're not at home. And if your family has a Christmas tree, you can help make sure it always has water so it won't dry out and catch on fire.
Wow! That's a great idea. I can help my family be safe that way.
You know what else you can do? Never play with lighted candles and never leave a candle burning if there's not a grown-up there to watch it.
Okay, I'll make sure my whole family knows that.
Great. And you know, one of the most important things you can hang in your house?
Tinsel, tinsel, that's it, tinsel!
No.
Oh, I know, mistletoe.
No. Definitely not.
Okay, I give up.
The most important thing to have hanging in your house is a smoke alarm that works. While your parents are decorating, tell them to test the smoke detector too.
Hey, I can do a lot to help keep my family safe, and I can still enjoy lots and lots of decorations.
That's right. And your parents can call the fire department if they have any questions about holiday fire safety. By the way, I have a present for you as to let you know that I care, and it's something everyone should have. Happy holiday.
Gee, thanks. Now my holidays will be happy and safe.
Happy holidays.